Hello children, welcome to Niveta School online classes. Children, in previous class we learnt about the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains and the islands. What are these? These are the physical reasons based on landforms, climate and natural vegetation. Children, India can be divided into 5 different physical reasons based on landforms, climate and natural vegetation. Among them already we learnt about the northern mountains and the northern plains. Today we are going to learn about the western desert, children. Yes, desert means what? What is desert? Now we will learn that. Lesson number 4, the western desert part 1. What is a desert? A desert is a flat area covered with loose sand is called a desert. Flat area covered with loose sand is called a desert. See, India has a huge desert in the southwest of the northern plains, children. This Indian desert, this is the Indian desert. It also known as the Thar desert. Where, children, it is? It has the huge desert of India. It is in the southwest of the northern plains. This is the Indian desert. It also known as the Thar desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and the borders of the Haryana, and it covers a large part of Rajasthan, children. Okay, this is about desert, where it lies. Next, we are going to learn about sand dunes. What is sand dunes, children? Sand dunes means there are small hills of loose sand, children. Small hills of loose sand is called sand dunes. Okay. See, there are many shapes and sizes are there in the Rajasthan. In the hot and dry winds, when hot and dry winds blow, children, at that time large amount of sand from one place to another it carries. See, sand dunes form these winds can move the sand dunes from one place to another. Do you know, children, there are few streams in the desert. See, sand dunes. Few streams also there in the desert. Some places underground water come out from the flat surface. It is called the Oasis. These places are called an Oasis. What is this, children? At some places underground water comes to the surface. These places are called Oasis. Here now, children, date palms grow here. The land around an oasis is a very fertile, children. So many villages are founded in the nearby the oasis. We can see the villages nearby an oasis. Okay, next, the desert regions remain hot and dry. They are in the desert, children. In that area, whole year hot and dry throughout the year, children. See, sun heats the sand, children. Sand, it's very hot. The sand becomes very hot very quickly. It also cools down very quickly. It will hot also very quickly. It will become hot also very quickly, and cold also, cool also very quickly, children. In the dusty wind blow all over the day in summer. See, whole day wind will blowing. Then the hot dusty winds blow all over the day in summer. In winter the days are warm but the nights are too cold, children. Thus climate in desert swings between extremes, children. A hot and dry climate means that big trees cannot grow. Is it possible to green tree growing here? No, no rainfall. Soil also not fertile. How can they grow? Isn't it? Yes, children. See, here no children in Rajasthan or in, yes children, in Rajasthan or in desert, it is very hot climate during the day, children. So, big trees cannot grow here. Only plants that can survive on little water grow here, such as cactus. Okay, there is a very little rainfall on any desert, children. There are few deep wells. That too, we cannot take the water easily. Very few deep wells are there. So water is always in short supply there. See, do you know, children? In desert, women walk a long distance to get a water for the domestic use. Domestic use means washing clothes, utensils, bathing and all. They are going very far away places to get the water, children. So our state government of Rajasthan trying to provide water not only for household use but also to irrigate also, children. Irrigate the fields. So what they did? Water from the river Satluj has been brought to the desert, to the Rajasthan canal. See, water from the river Satluj has been supplied to the Rajasthan canal, children. What they are doing? The farmers were using this water to grow the different types of crops like wheat, jowar, bajra. Isn't it, children? See, it has made a large parts of Rajasthan green. Which one, children? Yes, the river Satluj. They take from the water from the river Satluj through the Indira Gandhi canal. This canal is helping to the farmers. See, places which get a very little or rainfall gradually become deserts. Very little, children, they too very less rainfall. Little or less, both same. Cutting of trees and overgrazing are the reasons for the spread of desert area. See, cutting down the trees. First of all, they are not growing the big trees and all. They are not survive there. But they are cutting the trees and overgrazing, children. Means animals like cow, buffaloes, they are eating the grass from the root. So it is here, no, it's very difficult to grow the crops. See, life in a desert. Life in a desert is very hard, people. It's very difficult to survive here. People rear goats, sheep and camels also. See, children, people they are rearing goats, sheep and camels. They keep on the moving from one place to another place in search of food. See, children, here no trees, no fertile soil. They are not growing good crops. So what they are doing? They are moving from one place to another. Fodder and see, they keep on moving from one place to another in search of a food, fodder and grass. The people are called Banjaras. Some of are good blacksmiths also, children. See, some of them are good blacksmiths in the desert. They make and sell iron articles that travel from one place to another, decorated carts. Okay, children? Yes. In next class, once again I will revise the life in the desert, children. In next class, I will explain about life in the region. how they are living, which crops are they are growing. All these we will learn in next class, children. Thank you.